This is the 19th day of remodeling my first house with no experience. Today, hopefully we finish installing all the tub surrounds. And I have no support here. I'm gonna have to go get a 2x4. This freaking thing again. Is this the chosen one right here? I really hope I didn't screw this up. Alright, let me see if I can figure this out without crashing out. It's just this thing sitting at an angle here, bro. The shower head's gonna come like right out of here. I need to cut that shit out too. Of course, this is like the perfect height to be right here. This is what we do. Alright, so I came better equipped this time. I need something thick, boy. Bet I have exactly the right amount of screws to finish today. I spoke too soon, bruh. Forgot these pieces. Alright, y'all. Things are finally looking promising, but that's gonna be it for me today. Peace.